This is my vegan Caribbean salad made with yam and plantain.
Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep. Together we will always be.
Good afternoon and welcome to another one of my vlogs, JB Rose Singing Vegan Mum. Well, it is a lovely Saturday afternoon. It is spring, the sun is shining, it's April, no showers, hey! So, I've been invited to a lovely barbecue, my godchildren, somewhere in North London. I'm a South Londoner, well, originally South London, living in deep east. So now I've got to go travel over to North London to my godchildren, and we're gonna go and have a lovely birthday party barbecue bash for Mum. I always bring my cake because they love my cake. I make an almond cake. I've made it previously, so look up my almond cake. My cake is already in the oven. Today I'm gonna make a Caribbean version of the potato salad, but instead of using potato, I'm gonna use yam, I'm gonna use plantain, and it's gonna be delicious. So without any ado, let's get into it. It's a banana family, those that don't know anything. It's called plantain. I'm going to slice that up and I'm going to fry it. And this is the yam. It's a bit like a potato, but a big, massive potato. In fact, that was how big it was, but I cut it in half. And I'm going to boil the yam. I'm going to deal with this and this right now. So guys, I've sliced up the plantain really finely, and I'm frying them up nicely. And then it's quite, I don't want to burn them, so I'm just sort of staying on top of it, turning them around. So now I'm gonna chop these into squares. This was big like that, I'm gonna cut it in half. Here are my cubes of yam that I've cut up, sliced up very small, and I'm going to put it into some boiling water and boil it until it's nice and soft. Like the pieces of yam is nice and soft. Just to say, I haven't put any salt in this water, but if that's your thing, please add some salt. But I'm going to add all these different kinds of flavours, like seasonal, and they all come with their own sauce, soy sauce and stuff like that. So I haven't added any salt to this water, but if you want to, please do. So I'm just going to pour out the water to a Collins out. Woohoo! I'm just going to cool it under a tap because there's loads of it, and it's hot, and I should be at the barbecue now really. I'm draining out the water. So have a look. This is my basic ingredient. This is my yam with sweet corn in there and green peas at the moment. And now I'm going to start adding my ingredients. So here we are. I'm going to do it bit by bit. Okay, so I've just put in my onions. Here are the ingredients I prepared. My plantain, my cucumber, my red onions, and my peppers. I'm going to put it all in to my pot. As you can see, I'm going to mix all these things together. I'm quite restricted at the moment. I'm going to put it in the tray and mix it in the tray that I'm actually going to be serving it in, because I'm doing, look at quite a lot of things here. So I've transferred everything into the tray that I'm going to serve it in. First of all, I've got some ready-made vegan mayonnaise, which is all going to go in there first. There is the vegan mayonnaise, and it's going to get mixed in. And to give our yam salad, our Caribbean salad, a bit more zing, some tomato ketchup just in there to give it a zing. A little bit of lemon, and then I'm going to add, what do we got? We got a lot. A little bit of thyme. I'm looking for smoked paprika. Smoked paprika, come to me. Da-da-da. I can't seem to find you. A little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of zing. Add a little bit of smoked paprika. Give it some zing. Even more zing with some cayenne pepper. A little bit. Watch it. Yeah, because you know we like our spices. Oh. And then I'm going to add a little bit of dried thyme. I've got some fresh ones in the garden, but a little bit, not too much. A little bit of dried thyme. And season it to your taste. And mix it up. And it's done. This is my vegan Caribbean salad made with yam and plantain. I'm off to the barbecue now. I'm going to go and get changed. So let's see what the people thought of my Caribbean salad and of course my cake.
Rice, chicken, lemon Huh? I stopped in January, bro. It was chicken. I went back to chicken, bro. Yeah, vegan. Over there. Potato salad is a hit, man. It's a real hit.
Smashing. The combination of the sweet plantain with the yam and the mayonnaise and the tomato sauce. Oh, and then at the back, oh, a little kick, not too much. I'm gonna taste a little bit of pepper, a little kick, but not too much. As soon as it starts to get hot, it went away. So guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share and comment. Let me know what you think. Try it. See you again next time.